it has two problems, exact same question, but they got different answers. So, I want you to look at the two. Before you answer out loud, I want you to talk to the people in your row or sitting right beside you about which one is correct and why. So do that real quick. What's going on? Matthew, from y'all's group, can you tell me which one it is? Is the top one or bottom one correct?
Bottom.
Bottom one. Okay, why the bottom one? Very good. So if we multiply first, we should get 6. So it should be 15 plus 6, right? Okay, so the order that we're doing stuff in matters, right? You don't always work left to right. You have to follow order of operations. So we're just going to review order of operations today. That's all we're doing. Okay. All right. All right, so can anybody tell me what the first thing we always do for order of operations is? Okay, what's the P in PEMDAS stand for? Very good. So that's always our first thing we do. Okay. What comes after parentheses? Nice. Okay. Very good. Right, those are on the same level. Okay, if there are multiplication and division in the same question, how do I decide which one to do first?
Left to right.
Left to right, very good. Always work left to right. Okay, and then I already heard somebody say it. What's our fourth operation? Nice. Okay, and again, if there is addition and subtraction, how do we decide which to do first? Very good. All right, so now that we've got our rules written down so we can go back and reference them, we're going to do a couple of examples. So on number 1, do we have any parentheses? Do we have any exponents? No. So multiplication and division. Right, we got multiplication and division. And we're doing which one first? Right, because that's the one we come to first when reading the problem. Okay. So I'm going to just bring down my 15. What is negative 14 times 3? Negative 42. Very good. And we still have that divided by 6. Okay. And then what should I do? Right. 42 divided by 6 is good. And then our last step would just be to, very good. All right. Also, if you didn't grab one and you want one, the calculators are back there, in fact, if anybody wants to grab one. Okay. On number 2, looking at this problem, what do you guys think we should do first? All right, we're going to multiply in the top. So up there we've got 2 times 7, which is plus 5 times 3. Very good. All over 30 minus 29. Okay? Then what should we do? At the top, okay. What is 14 plus 15?
29.
Good. Over 1. Right. 29 divided by 1 is just 29. Very good. Okay. Alright, flip it over on the back. Okay, what should we do first on number 3?
The next one.
Very good. So the first one we come to is the 3. What is 3 squared? 9, right? Because squaring just means times itself. Okay, so we got 9 times 10, and then I've got minus 6 squared. What is 6 squared? Very good. Divided by 12. All right, what now? Multiply. So 9 times 10 would give us, all right, and then what should we do? Divide. So what do we get when we divide that? 3. Very good. We got 90 minus 3. Okay. Number 4. Right, inside the parentheses. So what's that going to become? 6. So I've got 16 divided by 4 times 3 squared minus 6 times 6. Okay? What'd you say? Right. So now I'm going to take care of my 3 squared. So what is 3 squared? 9. Good. Okay, then what? Alright, we're going to start doing our, So 16 divided by 4, we're going to work left to right. That's going to give us 4. So now I've got 4 times 9 minus 6 times 6. Very good. Minus 6 times 6, which is 36 as well. Very good. All right. Okay, on number 5, what are we going to do first? Okay, so 2 times 7 would be plus 5 minus 3 plus 6 times 5 plus 3. Then what? So then what should we do? Okay, 14 plus 5 is 19. So I got 19 minus 3 plus 30 plus 3. 16 plus 30 plus 3. Right?
49.
Very good. Okay. Last one. What should we do here? Right. We got to start with the innermost parenthesis, which would be our 2 plus 14. Okay. So I got 20 minus, inside of here we got 4 squared divided by, what is 2 plus 14? Very good. Okay, so now that innermost parenthesis is gone, what do I do now? Right. Brackets are just like parentheses, right? Still got to work inside of those first. Inside of the bracket, should we do the exponent or division first?
Exponent.
Very good. So we got 20 minus, what is 4 squared? Very good. Do we have any thing else we need to do inside of those brackets? Divide. And that's just going to be 1. Very good. So we got
0.
okay. Now what should I do? Okay, so he said we need to put the negative inside the bracket, or basically in this case, it's just going to make the bracket go away, right? Because negative times 1 is still just negative 1, so we don't have to have the bracket anymore. Okay, now what? This part? So he said we should do the exponent in the bottom, that's fine. So we'd have still 20 minus 1 plus 5 in the top. And yes, 4 squared, heard somebody say it, is 16. Okay, now what am I going to do? Alright, so 20 minus 1 plus 5. So I got 24 over,
Wait, no, 3. No, how about 8?
here we go. Alright, can I simplify this? Very good.